How to upload the high quality videos in your Instagram on the iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can upload the highest quality videos in your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Instagram. Now once you are in here, in the bottom right corner you have to click on your profile. Now from there you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. So now once you are in the settings and the privacy, here you have to simply go on the search and you have to search for the data usage. Now here is also the option of the media quality. You have to click on it. Now what you have to do is here you have to select the option of the upload at highest quality. Here you have to enable this icon and make sure to disable this use less mobile data. Here you have to make sure that this icon is disabled. So once you enable this upload at highest quality, you have to upload the video on the Instagram. Now the second step is what you have to do is simply go in your phone settings, and from here you just have to scroll down and find out the option of the camera. So once you find it, as you can see that here in the top one there is the option of the record video. You have to click on it, and here you have to make sure that the frame rate of the camera is the 4K at 60 per second. Now basically this is the highest efficiency high CDR, or you have to simply click on the OK and make it on the highest efficiency, and after that you just have to upload the any video on the Instagram. So that's how you can upload the highest quality videos in your Instagram on the iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.